The gold rush is over, at least the one you knew. While the masses fight for scraps in saturated niches, a new breed of creator is building empires in the shadows. Empires you'll never see. No faces, no fame, just pure automated profit. In 2026, invisibility isn't a disadvantage, it's a superpower. The algorithm doesn't care who you are, it only cares about attention, and we have found the key to hacking that attention using systems that never sleep. Welcome to B2 Pro. Today, we reveal the blueprint. How to build and dominate a faceless AI empire in 2026. This isn't a tutorial, it's a takeover. Pause. In 2026, the game is no longer about using AI, it's about deploying AI. We are moving from simple chatbots to agentic workflows, autonomous systems that handle research, scripting, and visual assembly while you sleep. Niche selection is where most fail. They chase entertainment where CPMs are low. We build education commerce channels. We focus on sectors like enterprise AI, decentralized finance, and high-performance biohacking. In these markets, one viewer is worth 100. We aren't looking for viral pranks. We are looking for high-intent business owners and investors. This allows us to monetize through high-ticket affiliate programs from the very first video. To achieve this, your production must be flawless. In 2026, the audience can spot cheap AI instantly. We use a 3-pillar stack, custom-trained LLMs for scripts, organic voice synthesis, and cinematic generative visuals. Our scripting agents don't just write text, they analyze current trending data and engineer value injections every 60 seconds. This ensures that every minute of your video justifies the viewer's attention. Pause. Visuals must be cinematic. We avoid the AI look by using 35mm film aesthetics, deep shadows, and photorealistic real-life characters. This creates an atmosphere of authority and trust, essential for high-value B2B content. The secret to scaling is the assembly line. We've automated the transition from script to storyboard to final render. This allows a single person to manage multiple faceless channels, creating a diversified portfolio of digital assets. AdSense is merely our foundation. In high CPM niches, your base revenue is already 3 to 5 times higher than the platform average. But we don't stop there. We use our content as a top-of-funnel asset. Layer 2 is high-ticket affiliate marketing. By reviewing and demonstrating high-value SaaS tools or professional services, we earn recurring commissions that often exceed the channel's AdSense revenue within the first 6 months. The true wealth comes from owning the back-end. We launch newsletters and community platforms that capture our audience's data. This turns a simple YouTube channel into a multi-7-figure business ecosystem. Retention is the only currency the algorithm respects. We use pattern interrupts, visual shifts, data reveals, and pacing changes every 15 seconds. We keep the viewer's brain engaged, making complex data effortless to consume. Over the next 6 minutes, we will reveal the exact software stack we use, our unique agentic prompts for high-retention scripting, and the secret to bypassing the saturation trap in 2026. This is the blueprint for your empire. We'll now break down the exact automation chains that turn 1 hour of your time into 20 hours of high-quality content output. We'll look at the specific AI agents we've built for thumbnail analysis and click-through optimization. Finally, we'll discuss the exit strategy, how to build your channel to be a sellable asset.